Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how I made cauliflower stir fry. So first off, you need to grate the cauliflower like this, or you can use a food processor to do it. So this is the consistency you should have at the end of your grating, or if you use the food processor. Please subscribe to my channel if you've gotten to this point. So next up, on a pan you want to heat up some vegetable oil and add the diced chicken breast. So the chicken has been coated with some salt and black pepper, so you need to fry this chicken until it has lost its pinkness as shown, and when it has some golden brown bits on it you can scoop it out, so the chicken is ready. Next, you want to reduce the oil on the frying pan and then scramble one egg. I used one egg in this video because I don't like too much eggs. So I made my egg bits a bit big. You can reduce the size if you don't like it big, as I did mine. And yeah, after that I added 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I intend to use this to start the cooking. So I added some diced, nicely fine chopped onions. And then I stir fried this for about 1 minute. I kept stirring so that it didn't burn. So next I added garlic and ginger. Again, I stir fried this for 30 seconds, kept stirring so that it doesn't burn. Next I added scotch bonnet peppers, diced carrots. I also added some green beans as well, and then some diced red bell peppers. And I sauteed this for about 2 minutes. I kept stirring. I literally stirred this for 2 minutes, guys. And after that I added the chopped cauliflower, and then I stirred that to combine properly, and I let this sit on the fire for 2 minutes again. And after that I added some black pepper, I added some sesame oil and some dark soy sauce, and then I combined all of this thoroughly. At this point you want to check for salt, add salt to taste like I did, and then I added some carrots for the extra crunchy. So I stirred this to combine thoroughly, and then I think I did this for about 1 minute, and after that I added the diced chicken and the eggs, and I turned everything together to combine. And this bit is totally not necessary. I don't know why I did this. Anyway, I added some soy sauce and stirred it up again, and voila, food is ready. Yay! Plating time. If you got to this point in this video, I think this video deserves a thumbs up. And please subscribe if you haven't. Share this with your friends.